Okay, hello. Okay, this is a three-phase spot welding machine model, the latest project I made. So before I fix the motor, I let you see something first. Okay. This is a ferric core. Actually, it's nothing to deal with the circuit. Just because I scared you ask me this is for what, why I put this. Actually, it's nothing to deal with the circuit. Okay. And you can see here is a generator. Actually, it's a motor I took from CD-ROM, OCD-ROM. So I take a 3-wire from here. So this one is the rectifier circuit, 3-phase. So need 6 diodes. Please take note, this diode I'm using Schottky barrier diode, not that 1N4007. They are different because this is more efficiency. Okay. Why I need this? Actually, it's nothing to deal with this circuit. Okay. After I fix this is a magnet. Okay. This very core will be fixed here. Actually, it will look like this. And then I need to fix a motor. So this motor will be fixed in here. So you can see it here. Right. So I need to put a little bit glue on it and make some tuning so the motor can run in optimum speed. This needs some adjustment, so before I do this, I'll show you this circuit first. Alright, you can see here is a cut off. And this is a regulator circuit, and this is all the capacitor, all in parallel. Okay, now I'm going to fix the motor. This needs a little bit time, so I'll fix it later. Okay, you can see it clearly. This is LM317 regulator circuit. And the back side is here. Okay. This tool is nothing deal with the circuit. Actually, is this. Just hold the wire so it looks tidy. Nothing to deal with the circuit. So you can see here, and here is a cut off. See? So this is the rectifier circuit. So I just fix it. This is using soldering, so make it 90 degrees and 90 degree, and then here I just use epoxy to fix it, glue in. Alright, so here are two screws to hold the motor. Look like this. Okay, okay, and then this motor, not all the motor are same. This is a low power, high speed, high torque motor, so it can pull this motor. You need a high speed and high torque motor. Not all the motor can make this project. Quite a special motor, this one. And you can see this motor is a this is a D sub motor. Okay, you can see this is a D sub motor. Right. High speed, high torque, low power. Alright, now I'm going to fix it, make some adjustment before I continue. Okay, so now I continue back to the video. So I already fixed the motor, you can see here. Right. Okay. Alright. And this is a battery, the old battery, Olympus, 20 years old already. It's a lithium battery, 3 volts. Okay. Okay, here is the switch. I on it. Okay, and then here is a multimeter. I set to 10 volt DC. So you can see the multimeter. Okay, 3 volts. Okay. Somewhere here. All right. Okay, and now I okay. Okay, and then I on the switch here. Okay, you can see the motor. So from the rectifier here. Here is the output. DC output is here. So I connect a wire here. Okay, I turn on the switch. Okay, you can see the multimeter. Okay, 10 volt. Set to 10 volt. Okay, around 8 volt something DC. Okay, turn off. Okay. We have removed this. So you can see that is 8 volt something. These sockets are the same. They are parallel. Okay, and then I connect this one to the regulator. Alright, you can see the LED is on. Okay, I turn off the switch. Okay, I turn on again. Okay, and then the regulator will supply the voltage to the cap, the capacitor here. So here is the output. Alright, you can see there is a probe here. Okay. Okay, complete here. Alright. When you spark here, okay. Okay, let's have a try. I cut. Okay. Okay. So you can see. Alright. Okay, okay, at the beginning, in the start of the video, you can see I already changed the capacitor here. At the beginning, I'm using this capacitor. So this capacitor, you can see is a 1800 UF, 6.3 volt, not 63, 6.3, a very small voltage capacitor. So I need a regulator here because the output from the motor is higher than capacitor, so I need a regulator. So after that, I found that it's not enough current to make a spark, so I replaced the capacitor here. Now the capacitor is 3003 UF. Okay, 3003 UF, 10 volt, and this one is 1800 UF, 6.3 volt. Too small already, cannot use, so I need to make a replacement. Okay, this is just a model. You can make it for fun, just for fun. Okay, and this one it not really spot stick very well, so it can give you an idea to see the process. Not means that you can use this in working or what. Okay, you can make this for fun only. Okay, all right. If you really want make it for working, then you need a bigger generator, bigger motor, and then a bigger cap. You need to replace all the parts here. So this is just made for fun. You can see the whole process. Okay, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.